be honest, I enjoy way too much going online shopping, and I know you guys kind of like my unboxing hauls. And so here I am today. I've done some damage, so I'm gonna show you guys some new beauty bits that I got. Alright, so I'm gonna start with this one right here. Generally it came this way and I was like, what the hell? But super bougie and fancy. I got this from Rituals. So let's just crack this open. Alright. Okay, so I basically got a vitamin C natural booster. Not gonna lie, I've seen this in Stansted Airport when I was in my way to Edinburgh, and I was so mad because I didn't get it, and then it was sold out everywhere. So super excited to like have this and start to use it. You guys know that I recently got a gua sha as well, and so can't wait to use it. And then they also gave me some little coupons sort of thing. So I got a £5 discount of my next purchase, which is quite sweet. And then buy 2 products of the Ritual of Karma and receive the protecting light balm for free. That is super cool. So yeah, now let's get into my Lookfantastic order, shall we? I'm pretty sure this one is their beauty box. I actually reviewed Lookfantastic before, so make sure to link the video in the eye if you guys missed it. And I'm also pretty sure I have a sort of coupon code for you guys, so I'll add that on the screen. Oh my god, wait, what is this? What the hell? This is super cute. Okay, let me take this out of the box. That is gonna be the part where I struggle. Actually, let me just, yeah, we'll rip the box. I kid you not, the coupons are coming through. Oh my god, how cute is this one? I'm obsessed. The last one I got was like, you know, clear, slick blue. So it says, women are unstoppable, tough, powerful, confident, teenagers enough. And then also like strong. Oh my god, love that. So let me just open this up and see what's in it. I haven't seen any like videos or anything else, so I generally don't know what to expect. So as always, there's a little leaflet which I believe also tells you what's in the box. So, plumping and hydrating lip mask. I had never used a lip mask before. What is this? Oh my god, shut up. Guys, this is like straight up a full-size product. What the heck? So this is styling cream for straight or curly hair. I use styling cream so much whenever I do my hair, and this also looks like a legit brand. So I'm super stoked for that. And then we also have other bits, so I'm gonna take everything out. Okay, so we have a little brush, super cute, white and pink. Then what else we have? Refreshing skin polish, brightening exfoliator to refine and smooth. See, that's literally the reason why I love getting these boxes every once in a while. You get to try new products that you usually wouldn't like go ahead and buy yourself because you don't know them. But who knows, they might be good. And like the fact that this is full size, I can't get over it, to be honest. Then we have a little Brilance oil, super duper tiny, but then again with oils you don't need a huge amount, like a small amount goes a long way. And then we have the waterproof Revolution. I'm pretty sure this is a mascara, and I generally love getting mascaras in my beauty boxes because I'm the type of person that always gets the same mascara, and so this generally gives me the chance to like try new ones. So I'm actually quite happy with the selection. Plus the box itself is super cute. I'm definitely gonna keep it, and the message behind it is 100% what we all need. Now let me move on to the last one. I'm pretty sure this one is from Lookfantastic as well. So know that I usually struggle with opening parcels, but I feel like I'm getting better. Alrighty. Okay. Alright, that is exactly what I was expecting. I don't know if I've talked about this or not, but I've been using this product for the past couple of years now, and I kid you not, I love it. It's like my morning cleanser. I legit use it every single day, and it's so nice. You really need the smallest amount. So yes, it's a bit pricey for like a cleanser, but then it does last you a very long time. And I kid you not, I got it from Lookfantastic for only £20. On the Lancôme website it's usually 26, so that is £6 off. And guys, when I tell you you need to check out Lookfantastic, I actually mean it. I'm pretty much rebuilding my skincare routine and I'm not mad about it at all. There's still one product that I wanted to buy, but I decided to get it from the airport because it might be slightly cheaper, and I'm gonna add the picture on the screen so you guys know what I'm talking about. But yeah, that's the video for today. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't done so already and turn the bell notification on, because YouTube has been kind of funky lately and my videos are not getting into people's subscription box. And so yeah, make sure to subscribe, turn on the post notification, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Tell me in the comments below what item was your favorite, and other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!